How to use WhatsApp Business Catalog feature. So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp Business Catalog feature. So to use this feature, open your WhatsApp Business app, then tap on settings at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then go to Business Tools and then tap on Catalog. Now tap Add New Item. Now tap Add Photos and Videos to upload to 10 images or a video of your item. Now choose your option whether you can click a picture or a video by tapping on camera, or you can just simply upload it through your video or photo library. Now once you select your option, enter a product or service name and then add optional details like price description, a website link, and product codes. Now tap Save to complete the process. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.